Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to find YouTube video topics from Reddit. If you're ready, go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. First, let's talk about why should you use Reddit to find YouTube video topics. There are several reasons why you should consider using Reddit to find YouTube video topics. Number 1. Relevant content. Reddit is a platform where people discuss a wide range of topics, making it an excellent source for finding video topics that are relevant to your niche or target audience. By browsing through subreddits related to your topic, you can find popular threads and discussions that can inspire your next video idea. Next, audience insights. Reddit is a home to a large and active community of users who are passionate about a wide range of topics. By engaging with this community, you can gain valuable insights into what your potential viewers are interested in and what questions they have. This can help you create content that resonates with your audience and addresses their needs. Number 3. SEO benefits. Using keywords and phrases from popular Reddit threads in your video titles and descriptions can help improve your video's search engine optimization, or SEO. This can help your videos rank higher in search results, making it easier for people to discover your content. Number 4. Competitive advantage. By finding unique and interesting video topics on Reddit, you can create content that stands out from your competitors. This can help you attract new viewers and build loyal following. And now that you know the reasons why you should use Reddit to find YouTube video topics, here's how to find YouTube video topics from Reddit. Finding YouTube video topics from Reddit can be a great way to discover content ideas that are relevant to your audience. And here's some few steps to follow. Step number 1. Identify relevant subreddits. Start by identifying subreddits that are relevant to your niche or topic. For example, if you run a cooking channel, you could search for subreddits related to cooking or specific types of cuisines. Next, number 2. Look for popular threads. Browse through popular threads in those subreddits and look for topics that are generating a lot of engagement and discussion. These could be topics that people are asking questions about, sharing their experiences or opinions on, or expressing interest in. Third, check for video potential. Consider whether the topic would make for a good video. Is it something that you can explain or demonstrate on camera? Will it be visually engaging? Or will it be interesting to your target audience? Moving on to step number 4. Take note of keywords. As you browse through the thread, take note of any keywords or phrases that stands out. This could be used in your video title or description to help with your search engine optimization. And lastly, number 5. Engage with the community. Engage with the Reddit community by commenting on threads, asking follow-up questions, or sharing your own experiences. This can help you build relationships with potential viewers and gain insights into what they are looking for. Overall, using Reddit to find YouTube video topics can be a great way to tap into the interests and needs of your target audience and create content that resonates with them. And there you have it, how to find YouTube video topics from Reddit. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can get a software that gets perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, and tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy? It can get the exact optimizations that you need to rank on number 1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags, and optimize any videos in minutes, not hours. And that is TubeRankG4. Stop being in the background and get your number 1 rankings plus traffic with TubeRankG4. It's a powerful video SEO optimization in minutes. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented with just 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the keywords you want to rank. Step 2. Follow TubeRankG's instruction. And step 3. Enjoy the traffic. So, try 2BrankJeet for now. Go to 2brankjeet.com. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.